Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking clearly.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak and practice.
Great. Today, we will practice what you learned before: jobs and present simple questions. We will do it with 3 exercises. First, shadowing helps you copy the sound and rhythm of English. Next, read aloud helps you speak longer sentences with confidence. Finally, describe the picture helps you use simple words to talk about what you see.
That sounds useful. I like short speaking practice.
Perfect. Let's start with shadowing. Shadowing. In shadowing, listen and repeat after each phrase. Try to copy the rhythm, not only the words.
Okay? I will listen first, then repeat.
Listen and repeat. I am a teacher. She is a nurse. Do you work here? Does he drive a bus? A chef cooks rice. What does the doctor do? They help people. Does she teach children? He is a police officer. The farmer has cows. Do they work on Monday? A pilot flies a plane. The waiter brings water. I see an artist. Does the dentist work today? We speak slowly. Your turn now. Read aloud. Nice shadowing, Nexo. Now we move to read aloud. You will read the text first, and then the viewer should pause the video and read aloud calmly.
I am ready. I will read slowly. This morning, I walk to a small street market. My friend Anna is a nurse, and she buys fruit before work. A chef makes soup near the door. A driver waits in a red car. Do people smile here? Yes, they do. A teacher says hello to a child. And a police officer helps an old man cross the street.
Great reading, Nexo. You did it very well.
Thanks, Emma. The text was clear.
Now it is your turn. Please pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Well done, everyone. Now we will describe the picture. Try to use the words you see and the grammar we studied. Nexo will try first, and after that, it will be your turn.
I will keep it simple and describe what I see. In the picture, I see a busy street market. A chef stands by a soup pot, and a waiter carries water. A doctor talks to a nurse near a small table. Does the nurse look happy? Yes, she does. On the left, a teacher smiles with two children. A police officer helps a driver buy a red car. In the back, a firefighter and a farmer talk. What does the pilot see? He sees people working together. That was my description. I used short sentences.
Excellent. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture your way. Try to use the words shown, but do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. For example, doctor. The doctor is here. Chef. The chef smiles. Now you pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.